A quick note for anyone that does not have monkey bars in their backyard, you can always go to the park, or sometimes they have it at your local school. You should have access to some kind of monkey bar. Thank you very much. Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body health and awareness activity from the Boys and Girls Club of Cumming Elementary School. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about bars. So for the monkey bars, what a lot of you will want to do is you'll want to start at the very end and both hands on both bars, just taking it carefully, slowly, but there's a lot more efficient ways to do this. So first of all, like always, before you begin, you're definitely going to want to stretch, especially the shoulders. It's good to just hang on the bar just to get your hands and arms used to it. So rotating the shoulder cuffs, even the elbows. You've seen me do this a lot, same for wrists. Just get that upper body really stretched out. So of course I've shown you the easiest way to do it, the way that most of you probably already do, one hand on each. The better way to do this, doubling it, one hand on each. In addition to that, something else you can do, instead of just starting at the end, what I want you to try and focus on is jump out as far as you can. So if you can jump out to halfway across the monkey bars, that's halfway through that you don't even have to do. Now of course there's a lot more efficient and faster ways to do the monkey bars, such as skipping one or even two. Even if you can, try and skip 3. This is how monkeys do it in the jungle. You gotta get a really big swing with your arms, go underneath and reach up. But like I said, there's even more efficient ways. So if you really want to do it quick, the most efficient way they teach us for American Ninja Warrior is you want to try and do this sideways and use your momentum to keep swinging. Instead of going back a swing, you want to use it to continuously pull yourself forward. And if you ever want to really challenge yourself, you can always try and do it backwards. Then my personal favorite challenge, instead of one hand on each at all times, what you can do is try and do an American Ninja Warrior move called a Lache, where you let go of both hands and reach for the next bar. Alright, if you want a Lache tutorial or any other kind of monkey bar video, just let me know and I'll get that out for you. Thank you all so much for watching and have a good day.